Your window comes down. Half a second later, before you've even said hello, the officer already knows more than you think. Not because he's psychic, because most drivers walk straight into 3 moves he's run 1,000 times, and by the time they realize it, they've already lost. 3 specific moments, 3 exact lines, backed by real Supreme Court rulings, not opinions, not guesses. Say the right thing at each one, and you walk away clean every time. And move number 3? It's the one that's put more innocent people in handcuffs than anything else on this list. Stick around. I'll give you the exact sentence that kills it. Quick one, this is legal education, not legal advice for your specific case, and it varies by state. Now, let's go. Do you know why I stopped you? This lands before anything else, and it's not curiosity. It's an invitation to confess before he said a word. Guess wrong. I think I was maybe speeding, and that's now a statement in your own voice, in his report. Here's the fix. Not cold, not smart-mouthed, just this. I'm not sure. What's the reason for the stop? Said with a smile if you want. It's true you don't know which of 10 reasons he's got in mind, and it puts the job back on him, where the law says it belongs. The fishing questions. Where you headed? Coming from where? Whose car is this? It sounds friendly. It's not. It's him hunting for one thing that doesn't line up. License, registration, insurance. Hand those over immediately. No argument, hands visible. That part's not optional.
But the travel questions? The Supreme Court settled this decades ago in Berkmer v. McCarty. Routine roadside questions don't obligate you to narrate your night. One line ends it clean. I'd rather not answer that. Am I free to go? Here's the part almost nobody knows. Going quiet isn't enough. In Salinas, Texas, a man who just stopped talking, no explanation, had his silence used against him in court. Silence alone doesn't protect you. Saying it out loud does. Mind if I take a look? This is it. This is the line that's put more good, honest people in handcuffs than any other question on a traffic stop. Here's why it works on smart people. You've got nothing to hide, so your gut says, sure, go ahead. Feels polite, feels innocent. It's the opposite. The second you say yes, every protection the Fourth Amendment gave you is gone, not paused, gone. And here's the part that should genuinely bother you. In Schneckloth v. Bustamante, the court ruled the officer never has to tell you you're allowed to say no. He can ask, knowing you don't know, and he's under zero obligation to mention it. Saying no isn't guilty. It's the single smartest thing an innocent person can do, and the law is fully on your side when you say it.
I don't consent to any searches. Once, calm, no explanation, no apology, no debate. If he steps you out of the car, that's a lawful order under Pennsylvania v. Mims, so you comply calmly. Stepping out is not the same as consenting. The moment a question comes back up, your line hasn't changed. Say this back to yourself before your next drive. Comply with your hands, speak up with your words, fight it in court, never on the roadside. That's the whole game in one sentence. 3 lines back to back so they actually stick. 1, what's the reason for the stop? Never guess. 2, I'd rather not answer. Am I free to go? And say it, don't just go quiet. 3, I don't consent to any searches. Once, calm, done. Which one of these did you not know? Comment the number 1, 2, or 3. I'm reading every single one, and it decides what I cover next. If this saved you from a mistake you didn't know you were about to make, that's exactly why I make these. Subscribe before you go. The next one covers the 4 words officers use to get people talking their way into a cell. Stay calm, stay sharp. Know the line before you're standing on it.